Hey, I'm Melanie Mills, Toasted Blonde. Okay, today we're going to talk about doing a bleach bath, and I'm going to show you the bleach bath I recently did. If you're following me at all, you know that I have an internal quest for ashy blonde hair, and that took a detour recently to blue hair as a DIY toner went wrong. It totally turned my hair blue, and it was just like an absolute nightmare, but then I decided to go with it. All right, I am 45 years old and I have blue hair, and I was rocking it for about a month this year, and then I kind of got over that. And I said, I really do want blonde hair. And so, to get rid of the blue, I did a bleach bath, and it was pretty fucking successful. So, if you're interested in that sort of thing, and people that swear and drink, you can subscribe to my channel. But keep watching to see my very successful bleach bath. Okay, so, today we're going to do a bleach bath. I'm sick of the blue. It was a mistake, a DIY toning mistake, and it's mostly located on the top, but I did end up having blue and gray all over the semi-permanent color all over. So in order to go back blonde, I think to be safe, I have to do a bleach wash over the whole thing. So I think I'm going to primarily start with and separate it and just do the top part first, the blue and the new growth and the yellow and all this, and then, well, a lot of the back was done. And then just kind of quickly wash it through the rest and just lighten it up a tiny bit before we go blonde. So, I watched a bunch of videos. I've learned a formula and I'm pretty sure it's going to work out. So, okay, it's all mixed up in here. Alright, so what did I do? Equal parts shampoo, bleach, developer, 20, and then half a part of conditioner. Now it's pretty thick, and I'm actually starting to panic a little bit. I was gonna have a mixture, you know I love rum, and I was gonna make a drink, and I said, I think I need to be perfectly straight on this one because blue, alright? So we are getting rid of the blue. I think the initial thing is to get rid of the blue and then get it through the rest. So let me get a comb. Okay, so I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to start like on one side. See, this is the bottom layer of it, and then work my way back, making sure I do a fair good job in the back because there's some there. So let's do it. Alright, so that used up most of my product, so I'm going to add, let's just see, I don't think too much about it. I added one more little cup of water, so this really diluted this down. But now I won't be panicking so much. And I'll stir this up, and then you'll see me applying it to my roots in just a second. Oh, I forgot to tell you, I took some online courses, so I'm officially now a hairdresser, right? If you take these online classes, you're a hairdresser, right? I'm just joking. I took some colorist classes, not even classes, I watched a bunch of classes, and they were so good, but I don't have the professional stuff or skills. I have no skills. So here we go. I watered this down. It is super watery now, and I'm gonna get this through the rest of the hair. I feel like it's sufficiently wet and good. What do you think? Wow, okay. Make sure you have gloves and an old shirt on when you're doing this. And, alright. So I'm not certain I'm going to be able to get rid of all this green. I think it's going to stay. I think I'm going to damage the rest of my hair trying to get rid of the green. I'm going to have to tone that out with some color correcting. So I am going to wait about 5 minutes, check the color, and then wash it. Because, like I said, I'm only trying to just lift whatever was left of the blue that had gone everywhere. Okay, it's green. It's been 35 minutes. The gloves are off, and the rum is in the cup. And I'm thinking, like, how long would you wait? Leave me a comment down below. How long would you wait for a bleach bath? Because it's been 35 minutes, I think. 35 minutes, and I still have, you know, it's not all blonde yet, so, I mean, it's not all breaking off. I do have the white bits that might break off, but I think maybe the hair's just stained and the bleach isn't going to take it off. It has to be toned. But then, color theory. All right. Tell me how long you would wait, and I think I'm gonna like mosey on up, take maybe 5 more minutes, and hopefully it'll be ever, see the top, ever so slightly less green for when I dye it tomorrow. Oh, and then somewhere down here, brought down coconut oil to show that I was gonna soak it in coconut oil for a few hours, maybe even overnight. Ugh, yuck. Alright, here are the results. I was feeling pretty good about it until I walked into this bathroom and this lighting, and now I'm scared to death. But it's in between phase. A bleach bath is not giving you the desired results. This is in between before you proceed to the next step. So, alright, I'm really actually really pleased. I didn't in the ends need to put coconut oil on it, just I put some on the ends, but the rest of the hair feels so good. Like, I'm really impressed that this is a decent way. I didn't know that I could get my hair this white. Honestly, of all the years of going to hairdressers, I don't think anybody's ever taken me this white. And it feels healthy. So, didn't break off, and it worked well. I'll put the recipe down below. I loved it. I loved it. I will definitely do it again when I screw up my hair, which is bound to happen. Thanks for watching Melanie Mills Toasted Blonde. Bye-bye.